The easiest way to get more out of Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion is to actually apply it on damp skin, not dry skin. That's because a moisturizer like this holds on to the water on your skin in two ways. The ingredient glycerin holds on to water and the ingredient dimethicone seals that water that the glycerin has held on to. It seals it in, keeps that water in so that the water doesn't evaporate back into the atmosphere. On damp skin, there is water for glycerin to hold on to. Straight after shower, if you apply your skincare, it's going to be more effective. In fact, in the bathroom, because you see the steam in there, all that hydration, all that water molecules, glycerin, apart from the dampness on the skin, it can grab hydration from there too. After you cleanse your face, gently pat your face with a towel. Make sure it's not dripping wet, but it's a bit damp. It's just slightly damp. The face should still feel a bit cool, not wet, just a bit cool. That's enough. And then if you're planning to use a serum in that skincare routine, apply that serum onto your face. And then apply the Aveeno Moisturizing Lotion. Gently massage it all over your face. If it's in the morning time, you must follow it up with a sunscreen. So Aveeno lotion and then sunscreen on top. This product is actually built around oats, the prebiotic oats. Now prebiotic oats does two main things for our skin. It calms and reduces the redness and the irritation on our skin, and it also reduces the itchiness that can sometimes come with that irritation. And another thing is, because it's a prebiotic oat, prebiotic means it's actually food for the good bacteria on our skin. Our skin has good bacteria on the top layer. Now this good bacteria does a lot of good stuff for our skin. It actually helps in keeping our skin's barrier function strong. When the skin's barrier function is strong, skin stays hydrated and skin is prone to less breakouts. Doesn't have any fragrance, this lotion, so that's again good news. A moisturizer has two main jobs. It has to add hydration and it has to help seal that hydration. Now Aveeno does both these jobs perfectly well, but Aveeno goes one step further. It also does a third job. With its oat complex, it helps in reducing the redness, the irritation, and calms our skin down. That's really helpful because you see, irritation can actually weaken the skin's barrier, and irritation can in future, sometimes, often actually, lead to dark spots and pigmentation. So in an indirect way, it's helping strengthen the barrier function and also kind of prevent those dark spots. Dry, normal to dry, sensitive, combination skin, this is a good lotion. If your skin is very oily and you don't like that feel of dimethicone, it's a good ingredient, but often oily skin types might not like dimethicone on their skin. If you find it too heavy, then this is not the product for you. That's about it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.